Today we're going on a cruise to a little cave area. So we're leaving from this area here called Adamas. We'll be taking the boat all the way around. A few stops we'll be having a swim. The main area is called Sikia, which is actually a cave. We get off the boat, get into a rubber dinghy and go into the cave system itself. So let's see how it goes.
Coming for you. Woohoo!
I'm just about to get in the water. It looks so nice.
So this is it. This is we've had 11 nights cruising around the Greek islands. Mykonos first. Then we did Paros, which was my favourite. Then Santorini, which was your favourite.
Well, it was beautiful, yes, but I don't know, yesterday at Milos was...
Yeah, we're at Milos now. It was pretty amazing.
Yep. Jumping off a boat into crystal clear water was amazing.
We're just about to hop on the ferry, take our rugrats.
Maybe a 6-hour ferry trip. We're just waiting to see on that.
Maybe 7 if we're lucky. Off to Athens.
Yeah, we're going to fit in one more crazy day in Athens, doing all the hop on, hop off. That'll be busy.
Yeah. Let's go to Athens.
Let's go. This will be fun.
Woo-hoo.